Hello everybody. Oh, I see that there is nobody here. Yeah, the camera is stuck and I look like being down. Okay, let me unstuck this one and we're gonna deactivate and activate. Okay. Now it's working normally. Okay. No, I'm okay. I have no problem. Everything's okay. So I want to thank all of you because you watch all these tutorial videos and you like and you start subscribing to my channel. It's a pleasure for me to create tutorials and reviews about special AI tools. I would like to say a big thank you, and as continuing to our journey, I would like to show you how I create a pop-up a pop-up to AI Tool Detective, so that anyone that wants to subscribe, okay, there is this newsletter form down. You saw that to the footer that we created to another video. There is this subscription under the every post that I add to AI Detective tool. But at the same point, I'm gonna show you. It's a good opportunity to show you how to do it, how you can create a pop-up subscription window to AI Tool Detective. Okay, let's get back to the main WordPress dashboard, so that it's gonna be clear here what I'm using and how I'm gonna do it. Okay, we just need the Elementor. We click on Popups here, from templates, Popups, and here, if you don't have a pop-up, you can just add new. You click add new and you start building your new pop-up. I got one over here, so the only thing I'm gonna do is to edit with Elementor this time. I'm going to edit with Elementor. You see that we are almost ready to start editing our pop-up. Okay, let me show you now. We have this page that it's totally clean. We have nothing over here. We didn't create anything. You can forget this icon. It's from the essential tools for Elementor, but we're not gonna use it. We're going just straight to the default templates from Elementor from here, and to pop-ups, we're gonna choose a nice pop-up here for somebody to be able to subscribe to our newsletter every time that you see this one. It's very nice. This one is really nice. You can even preview by clicking on it. You can see how it's gonna look. It's really interesting. Just I would prefer to have a name, and we can add another field, but let me see a little bit more down to see here. If we don't find something else, we can use this one. This one is really nice too. Let me see this one too. Yeah, it looks nice. Okay, you see, it's really nice. We just want to add this AI detective on the side, so it would be nice to have a logo connected over there. So let's see over here, going very down and checking and checking and checking. I think I saw another one that it's nice with the name and the email that we can use. Okay, let me show this one it's really interesting. Let me show you. You see, it's simple. We can just put some color to the background, or we can put an image over there. Let's press insert to this one. We're not gonna use the phone, right? Yeah, we don't need the phone. We can just insert this template, and after we do so, we can edit this template. First of all, let's fix our form. We're not going to use the phone, so we just say bye-bye to the phone. We're going to use the name, full name, and the email. Okay. Here we can go to button. The button I want to be not send. I want it to right here. Let me show you. The button is over here. It says send. I want to be able to subscribe, right? Subscribe. Okay. This is a subscription form. We want to have to write here, learn how we helped 100 top brands gain success. Okay, here we want to stay tuned and learn first about new AI tools. AI tools. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that, and we can change it later if we want. Over here we can write subscribe to our letter, subscribe to our newsletters. Okay, and we can go here to advanced and add some padding here to the bottom, like that. Looks nice. And we want to change the background of this form. Okay, we're gonna change the background, but first let's fix the usability. Here I'm going to action after submit. I'm gonna select our beloved Fluent CRM, and we're going to email. Here we want to write new subscription from AI Tool Detective. Okay, it would be nice to use the same email here. Okay, sorry. Okay, everybody, let's see now if we're gonna manage to finish this one, and we have selected everything. Oh, just a moment. Okay, so we select the full name and email here. We have already selected that after submit we use the Fluent CRM. We send an email, but at the same time we use the Fluent CRM. We arrange here the main email that we're gonna use, and to Fluent CRM we are telling that first name or full name, it's the full name that we are using here, and email, it's the email that we're using here. Okay, and here we can arrange the list that we want to use for somebody that is subscribed to our list. We're gonna use the video creation, and we can select here Create Studio Pro. Let's say, okay, we can use anything, just in case we have an automation, we can just select the Create Studio Pro, as I have already an automation there, and it's really interesting. But you can choose anything you want. If you want, you can double opt-in. It's the normal situation that somebody gets an email and he has to say again that he's accepting that he's gonna subscribe to our email list. And if you don't want, you just leave it like that, and so that if somebody just writes his name and his email, he's gonna start receiving emails from you. At the same time, it's good to ask somebody to whitelist your main mail address, so that it won't add to the spam folder. But we talked about that to another video, and we're gonna talk about that again for sure, because it's a long journey, the one that we are following, and the path is a long one, about emailing lists and about those AI tools and all these incredible tools that we can explore. And this is a very nice and ready to use subscription, subscribe to our newsletter form. We have to press update to keep it ready, and here we can add background. Let's see what background we can add here, or we can just change the color if we want. We can select a background from here. Gradient, it's gonna be nice. We can test here. Let's try something like that. It's for the inner section, those. Let me see, I'm gonna leave it without the background here. Okay, let's keep it clean like that, and we're gonna see the column background, that it's over here. Here, as you can see, it's like that. We can use a little bit black, and or maybe not, you see, because it's gonna it's gonna make a big difference. We can make it radial like that, and it's gonna be much better. Okay, I'm gonna keep it like that, it looks better, and we can always play and change it. Okay, we can make it a little bit more dark here to look better, and to have those letters white. It's much better. Okay, we change this one, we make it a little bit more dark, and here I guess it's nice. Let's move on, and let's go here to select the triggers. When this pop-up is going to be triggered, we're going to select that it's going to be triggered after inactivity. It's one of the options, and we can make it to after 30 seconds of inactivity, and on page exit intent, when somebody is ready to go and close the window and leave from our page. And we go to next. Here we can select after how many times it's gonna be showing. show on browser, schedule date and time, show on device, hide for logged in users, show when arriving from specific URL, show up to X times, and show after X sessions. Here we can arrange that anything that we want, because it's gonna persist 3 times on open. Okay, or we can just leave it like that, because we have already selected a trigger, and it's gonna be using it all the time. Let's save here, and we are done. Let's try it. Let's try it here. Let's go and try it. Just a moment to see where is this page. Let's try it here. Okay, I'm gonna go to the first page, and as you can see, when I try to leave, I get this pop-up. You see, it's not coming up the same moment because I closed it. If I move to another page, let's go to another page, and if I try again to leave, you see, we got the pop-up. Okay. At the same moment, if we stay inactive, if we move to another page and stay inactive over there, let's say we move here and we stay inactive for more than 60 minutes. By the way, you can follow me to YouTube, to both of my channels. Okay, the one of them it's in Greek, and I create videos in Greek. Maybe you're not interested in learning a new language, but it's really interesting to see some of those videos are nice. You can you're not gonna lose anything just listening to me speaking in Greek. I'm gonna try to put subtitles in some of those videos so that you can easily understand what exactly I'm saying there. Or on the other hand, you can follow the Free Spirits channel, where all of those videos are in English, and I'm doing my best and to keep it simple and to keep my English correct. Okay, let's see now. You see, I'm moving, so that was no inactivity, and we're not gonna see the pop-up. If I'm not move anything here, and I'm gonna leave the mouse like that for 30 minutes, for 30 seconds, sorry, we're gonna see again the pop-up. We can wait for 30 seconds. Okay, I'm not gonna count, and yeah, you see, okay, it looks great, right? We can just change a little bit the colors if we want, but again, it looks very interesting. Okay, I think that was all. I believe you enjoyed this interesting video, how to create your pop-up. You can play a lot with this stuff, and you can create your own pop-up. And in case you have any questions, you need something to ask me, or you want another video about another tool, just write it down to the comments, or you can just use the contact form and let me know. Wish you the best, and thank you very much once again. Love you, everybody. Ciao.